Good evening and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to try to answer the question of whether you can cook while wearing an Apple Vision Pro. Today I'm going to be making pizzelles, a classic Italian cookie. So I'm going to bring up notes here where I have my recipe. There we go. Put that right over there. And I'll start gathering my ingredients. Got all our stuff here, so I'll start measuring this out. Oh man, right away, it's really hard to read these on the Vision Pro display. I mean, also just compare how dim this working environment is compared to how bright it looks on the actual camera. This is broad daylight, it's noon, I have all the lights on, but it's just very grainy inside the Vision Pro. I mean, I know that this is half a cup, but if I didn't, that is just so hard to read. Hey Siri, what's half a tablespoon? That's useless. So I need 1.5 teaspoons. Cracking eggs? Pretty easy in a Vision Pro. If you've ever had to portion out like 6 or 7 of something and you lose track halfway through, at least if you're wearing a Vision Pro and if you happen to be screen recording, you can always just go back and check. I'm just doing 2 here, so it should be easy for me to keep track. Here's the thing, if I didn't happen to know that this was flour, I would have absolutely no clue which any of these are. This all just looks like a pile of white to me. I cannot identify the difference between these powders at all. Mix this in here. Yeah, we just whisk it together and give it a whirl. Nope. Lift it up and give it a whirl. Whisk until the batter is smooth. Now we're just going to cover this, toss this in the fridge, and come back to it later. I'm going to start a stopwatch, stick it on the fridge so I know how much time has elapsed. The worst part of baking cookies with a Vision Pro is that I can't lick the beater. It would just smear cookie dough all over the bottom of the cameras that are helping me see. But because I'm a journalist, I'm going to try it anyway for posterity. Gotta be really careful. Yeah, I'm not getting very much of this off. While we wait, I got myself a little bite to eat here, some leftover pasta. Now before, I might have put my phone on this little magnetic stand by Switch Easy, sat it on a butter dish, and put on a video there. But on the Vision Pro, I can watch it on a gigantic virtual screen as big as I want while I eat my pasta. The Vision Pro is really going to revolutionize watching YouTube on your phone as you eat lunch. So now we're ready to cook the pizzelles. I've got my pizzelle press out, it's warmed up, and inside the Vision Pro, I placed a stopwatch right above here. That's going to help us time them as we go along. But we're gonna open it up here and get started. Start the timer. Close it up. Oh, I think that's perfect. Whoop. All right, stop, reset. It's really great how you can just instantly hit the start button, just look and tap. I mean, there you have it. I'm very impressed with how this whole system is turning out. This is another excellent use case for the device. I wish my grandma were around to be deeply confused by what I'm doing. So, stay tuned for more Vision Pro videos. I'm Griffin Jones with Cult of Mac.